My name is Joachim Boive. I'm 48 years old, father of 3, cancer survivor, and I'm gonna be one of the first in the world to compete in Enduro on one leg. I ride Enduro for the adrenaline rush, the feeling of freedom to just explore, to just take a trail and see where I end up. When I was 13, I lost my leg to bone cancer. I had a 50-50 shot at surviving the first 5 years. But I always had very supportive parents who pushed me in a good way, so I could continue doing whatever I wanted to do. Ride skis, ride my mountain bike, and ride my motorcycle. Of course, I've had my struggles as well. Good days, bad days, painful days. But I've always picked my bike right back up and continued on, because that's the way I work. There's only one way, and that's forward. My goal in all of this is to compete in Stångebroslaget in July in Sweden, and to finish the course, 22-kilometer course, do 3 laps, not getting killed and not finishing last. I hope to see you there.